Hello everyone, and welcome back to Home Remedy Rescue, where we share the latest information on natural remedies, health tips, and healthy living. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value and enjoyment in this video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos, so you'll never miss a remedy. Today, we're stepping into a problem that's common and can be a bit unpleasant. We're talking about toenail and foot fungus. Not the most glamorous topic, but hey, we've all been there. Don't worry, there's no need to tiptoe around the issue, especially when nature has given us so many incredible tools to fight back. We've got 10 natural and herbal home remedies to share with you. So, whether you're dealing with stubborn toenail fungus or athlete's foot, or simply looking for preventative measures, stick with us. In this video, we'll be diving into some amazing herbal and natural home remedies that can rescue your feet from the grip of fungus. And remember, it's not just about getting rid of the problem. It's about understanding how to keep your feet healthy and happy in the long run. Be sure to watch for remedies 8, 9, and 10. You won't want to miss out. Before we delve into these home remedies to treat toenail and foot fungus, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's jump in. Turmeric is an ancient spice that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, primarily because of its strong anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is particularly renowned for these effects. Here's a straightforward way to use turmeric for toenail and foot fungus. As always, start by cleaning your foot and drying it thoroughly. Fungi thrive in moist environments, so keeping your feet dry is key. Prepare a turmeric paste by mixing turmeric powder with a bit of water until you have a thick paste. Apply this paste generously to the affected toenail or area of the foot. Allow the paste to dry and remain on the skin for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water and dry your foot completely. Repeat this 1 to 2 times a day. Extra care. Turmeric can stain your skin and clothes yellow, so consider doing this treatment at a time where you can wear older socks or stay barefoot. Why does it work? The curcumin in turmeric is a powerful antimicrobial compound that can inhibit the growth of various bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It's also a potent anti-inflammatory agent, which can help reduce the inflammation and discomfort associated with fungal infections. However, remember that while turmeric may help manage symptoms and potentially hinder fungal growth, severe or persistent fungal infections often require more potent treatments, such as antifungal medications. Also, turmeric may cause allergic reactions in some people, so always do a patch test before applying it to a larger area. Aloe Vera is a plant that is well known for its healing and soothing properties. It has been used in many cultures for centuries to treat a variety of skin conditions. When it comes to foot and toenail fungus, aloe vera may help due to its antifungal properties. Here's a simple way you can use aloe vera to treat toenail and foot fungus. Start by washing your foot thoroughly and drying it well. Fungi thrive in moist environments, so ensuring your foot is dry is crucial. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly onto the affected toenail or area of the foot. If you have an aloe vera plant, you can cut a leaf open and apply the gel that comes out directly onto your foot. Alternatively, you can purchase pure aloe vera gel from a health store or online. Leave the gel on. There's no need to rinse it off. You can repeat this application 2 to 3 times a day. Make sure you wear breathable socks and shoes and try to keep your feet as dry as possible during the day to avoid promoting more fungal growth. Aloe vera contains several antiseptic agents: cinnamonic acid, luteol, urea nitrogen, salicylic acid, phenols, and sulfur that have been found to kill fungi, bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms. It also has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that may help ease any discomfort or inflammation caused by the fungal infection. Lemongrass oil is a versatile essential oil with a fresh, lemony aroma and several health benefits, including antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Here's a guide to using lemongrass oil for toenail and foot fungus. Begin by washing your foot thoroughly and ensuring it's completely dry. Fungus loves damp environments, so keeping your feet dry is crucial. Lemongrass oil is very concentrated and may cause irritation if applied directly to the skin, so it should always be diluted with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, olive oil, or jojoba oil. A typical dilution is about 2 to 3 drops of essential oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply this diluted mixture to the affected area using a cotton swab or a clean finger. There's no need to rinse off the oil. Allow it to soak into your skin. Apply this mixture 2 to 3 times per day. Always use breathable socks and shoes, and try to keep your feet as dry as possible to prevent encouraging more fungal growth. Lemongrass oil contains several compounds, like citrol and geraniol, that exhibit potent antifungal activity. They work by disrupting the cell membranes of the fungus, thus inhibiting its growth and spread. Lavender oil is known for its calming scent, but it's also packed with antimicrobial properties, making it a great natural remedy for toenail and foot fungus. Here's how you can use lavender oil for this purpose. Start by washing and drying your foot thoroughly. A dry environment is less favorable for fungal growth, so this step is critical. Like most essential oils, lavender oil should be diluted with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, almond oil, or olive oil, before application to avoid skin irritation. A common dilution ratio is about 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply the diluted mixture onto the affected area using a cotton swab or clean finger. Allow the oil mixture to sit on your skin. There's no need to rinse it off. Apply this diluted oil 2 to 3 times a day. Be sure to wear breathable socks and shoes, and try to keep your feet as dry as possible to avoid promoting more fungal growth. Lavender oil contains active compounds like linalool and linaloyl acetate that have been shown to have antifungal properties. These compounds work by disrupting the cell membrane integrity of the fungus, hindering its growth and ability to spread. Cinnamon oil, especially the type derived from Cinnamomum verum, is known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Here's how you can use cinnamon oil to treat toenail and foot fungus. Always begin by thoroughly washing your foot and drying it completely. A dry environment makes it harder for fungus to thrive. Like other essential oils, cinnamon oil is highly concentrated and can cause skin irritation if applied directly. Always dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut oil or jojoba oil, before use. A common ratio is about 2 to 3 drops of cinnamon oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. You can then apply this diluted mixture directly to the affected area using a cotton swab or a clean finger. There's no need to rinse off the oil mixture. Allow it to soak into your skin. Repeat this application 2 to 3 times a day. It's important to wear breathable socks and shoes, and try to keep your feet as dry as possible throughout the day to prevent promoting more fungal growth. Cinnamon oil contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which has potent antifungal properties. This compound disrupts the cell membranes of the fungus, inhibiting its growth and proliferation. Apple cider vinegar soak. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for a variety of health issues, including toenail and foot fungus, due to its antifungal properties. Here's how to use apple cider vinegar soak for toenail and foot fungus. Fill a foot basin with equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. The vinegar should be diluted enough to avoid skin irritation, but strong enough to deal with the fungus. Immerse your feet in this mixture for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can use this time to read a book, watch a show, or simply relax. After soaking, ensure that you dry your feet thoroughly. Remember that fungus thrives in damp environments, so drying your feet well is crucial. You can repeat this soak once daily. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps kill the fungus causing the infection. This acid changes the pH of the environment, making it less hospitable for the fungus, thereby inhibiting its growth. Please note that if you have diabetes or a compromised immune system, you should consult a healthcare provider before trying home remedies like apple cider vinegar soak, as these conditions can lead to more serious foot problems. Tea tree oil, also known as Melaleuca oil, is well known for its potent antifungal and antibacterial properties, which makes it a popular home remedy for skin issues, including toenail and foot fungus. Here's a guide on how to use it. Clean your foot thoroughly and ensure it's completely dry. Fungus loves moist environments, so this step is important. Tea tree oil is quite potent and can cause skin irritation if applied directly, so it's usually recommended to dilute it with a carrier oil, like coconut oil or almond oil. A common dilution ratio is about 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil per tablespoon of carrier oil. Apply the diluted oil directly onto the affected toenail or foot area using a clean cotton swab. There's no need to rinse the oil off. Let it soak into your skin. Apply this diluted oil mixture 2 to 3 times a day. Make sure you wear breathable socks and shoes, and try to keep your feet as dry as possible to help control the fungus. Tea tree oil contains a number of active components, including terpene 4-ol, which have strong antifungal and antiseptic properties. These components disrupt the cell membrane of the fungus, inhibiting its growth and spread. Before we delve into home remedies 8, 9, and 10 to treat toenail and foot fungus, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Baking soda and borax. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and borax, sodium borate, are both household items that can be used to treat foot and toenail fungus due to their antifungal properties. Here's a simple way to use them. Mix equal amounts of baking soda and borax powder in a bowl, then add enough water to form a paste. Apply this paste directly onto the affected toenail or foot area. Be sure to cover the entire area, including underneath the toenail, if possible. Allow the paste to dry and sit on the skin for at least 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this process twice a day. After rinsing, be sure to dry your feet thoroughly, as fungus thrives in damp environments. Both baking soda and borax create an environment that is inhospitable to fungus. Baking soda helps to neutralize the foot's pH level, making it more difficult for the fungus to grow. Borax, on the other hand, is a natural insecticide and fungicide. When applied to the affected area, it can help kill the fungi causing the infection. Please note that you should avoid using this treatment if you have broken skin or open wounds, as both baking soda and borax can be irritating to the skin in these conditions. Garlic is a commonly used household ingredient that's also known for its powerful antifungal properties, which can be helpful in treating toenail and foot fungus. Here's a simple guide on how to use it. Start by peeling and crushing a few cloves of fresh garlic to release its medicinal compounds. You can apply the crushed garlic directly onto the affected toenail or foot area, or you could mix it into a foot bath and soak your feet. For direct application, secure the crushed garlic in place with a bandage and leave it on for a few hours before rinsing and drying your foot. For foot soak, if you prefer a foot bath, add the crushed garlic to warm water and soak your feet for 30 minutes. Make sure to dry your feet thoroughly afterward. Repeat this process once or twice daily. Garlic contains an active compound called allicin, which has potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Allicin interferes with the enzymes in harmful pathogens, effectively inhibiting the growth of fungi. Oregano oil is known for its potent antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's often used as a home remedy for a variety of conditions, including toenail and foot fungus. Here's how you can use it. As always, start by cleaning your foot thoroughly and ensuring it's completely dry. Oregano oil is quite potent, so it should be diluted before use to avoid skin irritation. A common dilution ratio is 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil per tablespoon of carrier oil, such as olive oil or coconut oil. Apply this diluted oil directly to the affected area with a clean cotton swab or your finger. Allow the oil mixture to soak into your skin. There's no need to rinse it off. Repeat this application 2 to 3 times a day. To help control the fungus, try to keep your feet as dry as possible and make sure you wear breathable socks and shoes. Oregano oil contains several active compounds, including carvacrol and thymol, that have strong antifungal properties. These compounds disrupt the cell membrane and metabolic process of the fungus, inhibiting its growth and proliferation. All of these remedies work on the principle of creating an environment that is not conducive to the growth of fungus. Essential oils usually contain compounds that have been found to inhibit the growth and spread of fungi. However, they should be used with care, as they are potent and may cause skin irritation in some people. Always dilute them with a carrier oil before applying them to the skin, and do a patch test first to check for any allergic reactions. Remember, these methods are based on traditional and anecdotal use and may not work for everyone. For severe or persistent fungal infections, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. Click subscribe and the notification bell to get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. We've explored a host of incredible natural remedies to combat toenail and foot fungus. We've soaked, we've scrubbed, and we've slathered, from the potent antifungal properties of tea tree oil to the soothing wonders of a vinegar foot bath. We've covered the bases. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and share it with your friends and family. After all, sharing is caring. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let us know which remedy you're most excited to try. Also, if you have a home remedy of your own that you'd like to share, we'd love to hear about it. Your contribution could be the solution someone else is looking for. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Be well and take care.